Pollution is a problem we face in our daily lives, a byproduct of high levels of development and consumption. We're all aware of ground, water, and air pollution, but there's another type of pollution that surrounds us, affecting the way we live, work, and play. From highways to railways, industrial installations, and construction, noise pollutants are all around us, impacting our homes, businesses, and communities. Noise barriers are structures designed to protect the people, places, and things we love from noise pollution. But traditional barriers such as block, concrete, wood, or metal reflect sound, projecting it back towards the source, sometimes amplifying noise pollution or redirecting it into surrounding areas. But what if there was a better solution? Soundfighter Systems provides sound-absorbing noise barriers and sound walls specifically designed to target nuisance noise sources. Unlike reflective barriers, absorptive technology traps and breaks down the sound frequencies, diffusing them completely. At Soundfighter, we provide turnkey solutions, working with our clients on sound studies and modeling, barrier design, planning, regulatory compliance, and installation. Our sound barriers are acoustically tuned, lightweight, easy to assemble, low maintenance, and will not rust, rot, or stain. We also provide custom fabrication of all the structural steel components for our barrier systems. Our walls are designed for a variety of applications, including power generation and transmission, water and wastewater, roads and highways, oil and gas, and AC and heating installations.
Having Soundfighter Systems say, hey, we can do a sound wall to stop any noise. They did everything, all the engineering for the footer, for the building of the wall, the installation. It was just very easy. We've never had a single complaint.
Well, we had to add a new chiller system to the school cathedral complex. It needed to go on the playground, which was a little concerning to me initially. So we had the sound wall installed and frankly, never hear anything at all.
Let Soundfighter help you overcome your noise problem with one of our 100% absorptive noise barrier systems. Soundfighter Systems, making the world a quieter place.